Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of GNS Miniatures. So today, as you guys can see, we're going to take a look at JDM model. So when you see this, I know you guys know that we are going to look at a GTR. So today we have the new release from Solido. This is 2021 release, the GTR R35 Liberty Walk by Solido, 1:18 scale diecast. So talking a little bit about the GTR R35. Now this is actually the sixth generation of the GTR series, but it is not part of the Skyline GTR. The Skyline GTR ended from the R34. This was solely called the GTR. So the Skyline name was dropped from this model. Now the version that we have here is the Liberty Walks edition made by Solido. Now Solido has two different variants of this model. The one that we have here is the metallic orange, and then you have another variant which is called a candy green. So that's a very light green and has a bluish shade to it as well. So that is also a very nice model if you guys want to have a look. Let's take this model out and see. So this is going to be the unboxing video for this model. I think this is the first one to arrive in Sri Lanka. So let's take a look at how we take this model out. So first of all, it's a window box that we have, and you have some licensing details in the back and the Solido logo there, and you have like windows on four sides of the box. So good box if you want to keep the model in the box, but we actually like to take our models out and play with these models. So this comes with a plastic frame and is mounted on the bottom with 4 screws. So let's take this model out from there. I'm going to use our screwdriver. Let's just speed up this. Okay, so here we have the R35 Liberty Walk out of the box, and we need to take this plastic strip out, which actually keeps the doors from opening. There we go. And from when you're getting models from 1:18 scale models from Solido, you get this really nice plastic opener to open the doors of the model, which comes in really handy. And now when you take a look at this Liberty Walk model, there's one piece slightly missing on it, the spoiler. So the spoiler we have in the box right there. Let's take it out as well. So here we have the spoiler for the model. It has a carbon fiber texture on it. You can feel the ridges, if you can call them. Yeah? and says LB Performance on the side there, and it's really easy to fix as well because it has 4 pegs right over there at the bottom, which fixes onto 4 holes on the back right there. Just like that, and fits really nicely. So let's take a closer look at this model. Here we have a close-up on our overhead camera. So as you can see, there's a side profile of this car, really nicely proportioned, nice shut lines on the doors. So the doors on this model do open. If you can see the interior, nice detail on the interior as well. You get the GTR logo on the steering wheel, and the instrument panel is nice. You do not get carpeting on this model, but that is actually acceptable at this price range. Get bucket seats, as you can see, but you don't get the seat belts on it. The doors close nicely, and I actually like the way they have mounted the doors, because it's not dogleg hinges on this. It's actually hinged very nicely, if I say so. There we go, and closes nicely as well. Got all the decals there. Liberty Walk logo there. Nice side vents. There's the front of the model. It's a nice decal of the GTR logo there on right on the center of the front, and Ad1, because the tires are from Ad1, and then nice lensing, carbon fiber texture on the bonnet. You do get you can see the calipers and the disc rotors there. Hold on. There you go. The wheels do move, but the discs are actually not moving with the wheels, so they're one piece. I think the calipers and the discs are one piece, but nicely painted, good detail on them as well. So look at the back. GTR, Liberty Walk, a lot of decals on this model, on the rear windshield as well. And as I showed you earlier, this is how I didn't want to push this all the way through, but you can if you want to display the model with the spoiler on, but I'm actually going to take this spoiler out again, so that's why I fixed it to a certain extent only, so that I can pull it out again. There we have 4 exhausts coming out. So on these models, on the Solido models, on some of them you don't have opening boot lid or opening bonnet, so that is something that I would have liked to see, but at this price range that is not something that you can get. So there we go, that's the undercarriage of the model. It's reasonably detailed, not a lot of detail there. You get the exhaust and it disappears under there, and I think it splits into the 2, and then under this rear diffuser. So, and you get semi-slick tires on this model. There we have it. Okay, so hope you guys like the details of this model, and hope this video helps you guys make a decision on whether to add this to your collection or not. So we certainly like this model because it's a beautiful diecast, and we like the Liberty Walk modifications on it as well. So it looks really nice and feels very nice as well with the weight and everything. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up and comment on this video. Let us know what models you would like to see from our future videos. Share this video with your friends, it will help them as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the link to subscribe, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Also follow us on Facebook and like us on Instagram as well, GNS Miniatures. See you guys soon with another video of a diecast model. Thank you. Bye bye.